Hello, good morning. This is Zorina Spice. This morning I would like to show you how to make some basmati rice my way. And this is the basmati rice. I also put some water, like a half a pot of, this is 2 cups of basmati rice. I put a half a pot of water to boil, so I'm going to wash this and let it sit a little until the water ready to boil, and then I'll throw it in. Washing the rice, the basmati rice. Then I'll drain it. Drain it like this way. Alright, so the water is boiling and I wash this rice 2 times, nice and clean. So I'll let it boil, but I don't want it has to boil halfway through cooking. It's not too hard. You gotta cook it a little hard, so this way I could able to fry it back. Anyway, here I have some seasoning that I'll be putting into the pot. So I chip some onion. But I'm going to use some garlic, but I don't want to chop the garlic up because I'm going to grate this garlic. We'll let this garlic get a little flavor into the rice when I make it. Grating it up now. Just some 3 garlic. 4 garlic is good. Okay, so the rice now finally finished, and I'm gonna drain this rice. Alright, so I'm gonna drain the rice now. Okay, so after this now I'm gonna ready to cook it. Alright, so I'm going to add some oil. You could use vegetable oil, but right now I'm using some olive oil. So use olive oil because there's plenty rice. Oil is hot, so I'm going to put in some of this cumin seed. Very patch on your floor. Patch a little. And I'm going to add in some green beans, like a half a cup of green beans. This is the green beans. I'm going to throw in a half a cup of green beans. I'm going to add some onion. Some garlic. Nice grated garlic, so you're going to give the rice a nice flavor. So let this just saute a little. Ready to put the rice in. Rice in. So that's our rice. It's very hot right now, so I'm going to add some salt here. Now use salt to taste. Depends on your rice and the amount you make. Use salt to taste. And I'm going to put some grind cumin, grind jeera. Put a tablespoon of that. I'm going to put inside here. You could add a little black pepper if you want. I'll add a little black pepper, but these are optional. So I'm turning everything up in here. See, look nice. Whenever you boil this rice and you cook it this way, you do not have to boil it all the way. You have to leave it with a little grain so you can be able to cook it this way with the seasoning and the oil and everything. So this is the rice. It all blend in with everything that I make it here with. So looking so delicious. And it's finished. So I'm gonna add some cilantro and some parsley on top. It's finished. So I'll have to take some out. They cook some now. This rice is very tasty, very delicious and tasty. Okay, this is Zorina's Spice. This is my rice. This is a like seasoned basmati rice. Very, very delicious. You could eat it with some baked chicken, steaks, any kind of meat on the side, and you know it's very tasty. And the rice with a little meat and vegetable, it's all good. So this is Zorina's Spice. I want to thank you guys for looking, and I want you to enjoy. Bye bye.